1, 2, 3, 4. The last one. NBL. Rusty. Not happy customer. Not happy customer. Powerful. Yeah. This is stay good. Watch until the end. Roller. Everything is broken here. Look, is it broken? Fresh. Spray on. Oh no, this is gonna be hard to remove. Rust everywhere. This is crazy. We are in a complete rust state here. You have to think it's a P-Valiant. So rusty. Sorry. Ah. You have to massage this a little bit. Massage it. Good massaging. And then you still big too. It's like a dick. Okay. Nobody's gonna know. Not working. No. Other solution. Loser. Problem solution. Oh no. Now the big tools are working here. Meat Doria. Why not? Meat Doria. Oh yeah, good. Good treatment. Oh yes. Oh yeah. Holy moly. Oh good. Auspressen. Oh good. Now we can work here. Free manifold. Destroy it. This is gross. I hate my job. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Now take this tool. Look at this. Woo. Check this out. Universal, stretchable, very good. Lube. Very lube. Now, stretch it out. Good. Stretch it out. Flexible. Wow. Wow, this is the best tool ever. Always grease it. Well, grease it well. No. Oh, yes. Oh my God. It's like in the morning after the first coffee. Nobody gonna know. They're gonna know. Very tight. Press! New technology. Oh yes, wow. Clean it all. Good. Nobody gonna know. They're gonna know. Safety first. New part! Anklebech! But it is not going over it! Now it's going! Open it up! Oh, I take the old one! I told you right until then! Save your loader by doing this trick! New rotors! Wow! New! Happy customer! New! The last step, putting the wheel back.